Oh, this is so dumb in my opinion. I don't like seeing this. I just I don't know. I mean, I get it. People like to get on their team and cheer for their team and say every other team sucks. I get it. But when we're talking about a cryptocurrency market that only has 5% adoption, can't we rally together? Can't we put our differences aside sometimes? Can't we see the bigger picture? Can't we be tribal about crypto and not so much about one community? Well, let's talk about it in this video, guys. And listen, you guys always know where I stand on this sort of thing. I've been talking about this for a while now. I am a well-diversified crypto investor. By the way, I have stocks, and when it comes to crypto, most of my crypto is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then the next phases are top 100 cryptos, and then the final phase are super speculative, and sometimes just meme coin plays that are around for a week or two, right? These two cryptos, though, in particular, Shiba Inu and Cardano, are two of my largest holdings outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And recently, some community members are clashing. So let's talk about what happened, and I'm going to give you my 2 cents here in this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, right now before we jump in, and hit that subscribe button. So, a Cardano community member says, here we go, I am always surprised that someone considers projects like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu to be relevant projects and compares them to Cardano. I'm even more surprised by how much social engagement these projects have. Cardano has huge team and technologically gets significantly, okay, etc., not important right now. See, listen, Cardano Yoda, I get it, but you're also you're wrong, man. I mean, there's a reason why they get so much community and social engagement. It's because they're built on the community. They're built on social engagement. That is literally what Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are built on. And now they're both trying to build out utility. As always, guys, these cryptos, Dogecoin and Shib, they've reverse engineered the process, meaning they didn't create utility first. They focused on a community. And it's not so much a terrible idea when you think about it, because Cardano, while they do have a very strong community, many of these layer ones and top projects don't. And maybe they're just not aimed at retail money. Maybe they're only aimed at institutions, right? But when you think about a community, you don't think about Chainlink. You don't think about Avalanche. You don't think about Polkadot. You don't think about these cryptos, right? By the way, I love Chainlink, I love Avalanche, and love Dot. I think they all provide great utility. But maybe they're just aimed more at the institutional and developer, right? Institutional investor and the developers, and not so much the community. But if you want retail demand in your token, you have to foster that community, and Dogecoin and Shib have. Now, you could say what you want in terms of speculative assets and how speculative they are, but there are a lot of cryptos out there that are speculative, even ones that claim to be building some great thing, right? We don't really know until they show us, right? They can say a lot of great things. Now, with Doge and Shib, it's crazy because they're top 15 cryptos. Now, in response, a Cardano influencer chimed in suggesting that if one were to filter out bots, the top project would likely be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or Cardano. The influencer's point underscores the notion that social engagement does not necessarily equate to project validity or long-term potential. Cardano and meme coins like Shib and Doge are as different as apples and oranges. Cardano, backed by a robust team and a strong technological foundation, has been making strides in the real-world adoption. Its focus on utility rather than mere speculation sets it apart from meme coins, which often ride the waves of social media trends and investor sentiment. Listen, I don't disagree with all of this, but I'm invested in both. And I think that's the important point I want to make here. Understand that you don't have to just invest in Cardano because it's only the one building out your real utility, and then miss out on gains of that highly speculative meme coin. Because guess what? Shib is also building out utility now, and that highly speculative meme coin could produce some gains. And if it does, you probably want to have some, right? So I always think of investment first. And understand what different types of investments are. Is Cardano different than Bitcoin? Yeah, I like them for different reasons. Is Bitcoin different than Ethereum? Yeah, but I still own both. I like them for different reasons. Is XRP better or worse than Cardano or Ethereum? No, it's just different. And I invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Shiba Inu for different reasons. So that is it, guys. And I think this constant bickering back and forth doesn't do us any good when we're trying to hit widespread and global adoption. Let me know what you guys think down below. Drop a comment, and smash a like, smash that like button, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.